fuck.
Every time I think about you on my mind, sing this song about you like 1,000 times. You know I wanted to just take my time. I can't be away from you. I know all the things I wanna do for you. Your love is so high, I can't believe. Always on my mind, just somewhere to sleep. I'm just thinking about it, thinking about it. Twice every day I'm gonna think about it. 'Cause my love for you, you know I'm gonna shout it. Gonna do everything I can do about it. I just think I'm feeling you. Up in the dark, you know it's just us two. Raise a whole family and get us through those hard times, you know we cannot lose. Rain all on me. Take my hand, follow me.
Purchase your tracks today.
Now I'ma tell you right now, you're my girl. See, you're the only one I want in this world. I have to take a chance, you know you're my thing. Doing our own thing, you know I get alright. I know what to do about you, girl. Buy you everything, you get the whole world. You like that? Like that? Yeah, you know you can have anything you want, just like this, you know what I'm saying?
Marzin.